Good morning, friends. Mary here, and it's time to start decorating for fall. September 1st has come and gone, and today I'm going to be decorating my front porch. Now, I am actually participating in a collaboration hosted by Heidi Sanbul, and thank you, Heidi, for this wonderful opportunity. And so we're going to go and we're going to see how my porch looks today. We're going to be transforming it, moving things out, and bringing fall in. So let's get started, guys. Let's take a quick look at my porch as it is now. I have removed most of my 4th of July decorations with the exception of this beautiful wreath that I made. I have my welcome sign. I still have quite a few of my plants growing and they're doing nicely. Moving over here, I still have my summer carpet with plants, and I've brought out my outdoor bin, the bin that I put my outdoor fall decorations in. I have my chairs here still with sort of a summery look, and then still my plants are doing fine here. So that's where we're going to be starting today. So I did a little sweeping. I had cleaned off the surfaces last night, and now let's start putting things out and removing any leftovers from the summer. As you walk up to my front porch, this is what you see now. I have this cute little vignette with my crates over here with these darling little scarecrows that I got a few years ago. A little welcome sign here. And I have left out some of my plants, as you can see here. Here's my donkey's tail. And on this little door, I have hanging my fall wreath that I made last year. In case you didn't have a chance to see it, I do have a video showing how I made this. And then here is my Hello Fall sign, along with a new little rug here. I get these rugs at Walmart. They're very inexpensive and come in lots of colors that can coordinate with your seasons. Now moving over to this side of my porch, I have this very festive design. Here's a full look at it, featuring my brand new little red truck. It is simply darling. And then of course I have a very huge pumpkin and my urn with flowers that I'll be bringing in over the winter time to save. And you can see I have a little lantern there and another scarecrow hanging. I feel this is quite welcoming. Now if we go over here to my seating area, I have my fall pillows out. Aren't they cute? And then I also have a lovely autumn sign. Leaves falling, warm colors, and holidays around the corner. Isn't that the truth? Coming upon us so quickly. And of course I still have my plants out here, and I'll leave them until the first frost. But turning around this direction, I have my table set up here with some lovely flowers, a hay bale, and a cute little teddy bear with his bucket to gather up some pumpkins. And then I have a little group of pumpkins right here. Very old, but I still love them. Well, everyone, I certainly hope you enjoyed watching as I decorated my front porch, and I am so happy with it, and I have it done just in time for some guests to be coming to my home, and it will welcome them and everyone else who knocks at my door. And don't forget 3 things. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out Heidi's channel, which is very lovely. She has great stuff on her channel. And the 3rd thing is, in my description box below, I will have a link to the playlist so you can get lots of other ideas for decorating your front porch for fall from our other creators. Thanks all of you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.